My name is Stephen Murphy. I'm a partner here at the law firm of Block, O'Toole & Murphy. And today we're going to talk about store accidents. So you're hurt in a store accident. What are the things you should be thinking of immediately? The biggest and most important thing is you've got to take an assessment of your body. Are you hurt? And if you're hurt, the first thing you want to do is call 911 and make sure that you're getting the appropriate medical treatment. Now, even if you're not feeling in that moment like you want to go to the hospital, you've got to monitor your situation and go to a doctor if it's appropriate in the day or days after this accident. Now, if you're physically capable of doing so, you want to contact someone in a supervisory position at the store. Now, why? Because you'd like to have an incident report created. And that incident report is important because it's going to memorialize at a time close to your accident what happened, why it happened, and what those circumstances were. It should also include your physical complaints, the pain that you're experiencing at the time that the report is generated. That incident report can be invaluable to you down the road if you elect to bring a claim against the store. You may also want to see if there were any witnesses to the accident, and if possible, again, if you're medically okay to do so, take some photographs of the area close in time to your accident. Who's responsible if you've had an accident that took place in a store? Well, the primary and most obvious answer is the store owner, the entity that's controlling the store. But there may be also other vendors who are working within the store who may be independently responsible. We've handled a lot of cases where people go into a store and they unsuspectingly fall. They slip and fall because there's a cleaning agency working in the store and they are cleaning the floors and they didn't put up signs to warn the customers. So they could be an entity held responsible as well. In order to hold an entity responsible for a store accident, you've got to prove that they were negligent. And really what that means to the layperson is that they didn't act reasonably under the circumstances. So you've got to have a knowledgeable and experienced lawyer who can attack your case the right way. So you've had a store accident and you're wondering to yourself, how much time do I have to make a decision? Well, in New York, if you've had a store accident, the general statute of limitations, the time constraints that you have to bring a lawsuit is 3 years. 3 years from the date of your accident. So you're involved in an accident that takes place in a store. One thing you can count on for certain is that the store is retaining legal counsel immediately after your accident. They're taking steps to protect themselves right away. Now, what should you be doing? Well, you've got to match them. You've got to have an attorney on your side that's going to protect you. They're out to protect the store. You need someone to be your advocate, your voice, someone to fight for you. Now, what may happen frequently is that after you've had an accident, someone representing the store is going to reach out to you and they're going to offer you a sum of money to settle your case, to cancel out your claim. And that amount of money may seem enticing in that moment. But rest assured, the store is not looking out for you. They're not trying to help you. They're trying to eliminate their risk and get rid of your claim. So you need to have an experienced voice who's giving you good advice, someone who has a history of taking on large stores and winning. If you've been involved in a store accident, you want to have the right voice in your corner. At Block, O'Toole & Murphy, we have a long and successful track record of taking on stores and making sure that they're held responsible for their negligence in injuring customers. You give us a call and we can talk about your case. You can reach us at 212-736-5300. You can also learn more about Block, O'Toole & Murphy by looking at our website, www.blockOtoole.com.